Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check mailbox on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons, for example the shop, the collections, events and others. Now if you want to check your mails in mailbox, click to the letter icon at the upper bar on the screen next to the message button, and you can check your mails. Actually I have a reward. Click to the receive button, and I have some diamonds. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.